Hey guys, this is the Ganzo 727 series. This makes a great outdoor pocket knife, I think. Very comfortable. As you can see, as you can tell already, and most of you know because you've seen these knives before, it's lovingly modeled after the Rat One knife. There are some differences. Of course, this one is more inexpensive. You can get these still for under 20 bucks. I got this years and years ago, I think, when Ganzo, shortly after they come out with this model. And I think I paid at the time like 11 or 12 bucks for it. But it does have the Axis style lock, not the liner lock like the Rat knife has. This one is a little smaller than the Rat knife, okay? I think this one is about 8 inches long, and the blade is just over 3.5 inches. It is 440C, a nice flat grind. Like that very much. The 440C back then came very, very sharp. It has an ambidextrous pocket clip, however it is only tip up design, but most people like tip up. You do got the lanyard hole. Pillar construction, this one has 2 pillars there, and then the pivot pin. I do like my pivot pin a little on the tight side, so it doesn't really, well, that time I got it in there, but you can open it that way and close it. And I do just like to use the thumb stud on this and then close it up. So works very nice. The liners are not skeletonized or lightened on this one. I know on there, this is an older one. I know on the ones they make now, the liners are skeletonized to make them a little lighter. I'm going to say this older one is probably about somewhere about 4 ounces. And I'm going to guess that the newer ones that are skeletonized are a little bit lighter. But and G10 handles, okay? So very nice knife to use and carry. I do think it makes a good outdoor pocket knife. This isn't a baton with to do any of that stuff. It's just a pocket knife. You can prepare kindling and tinder with it. Let me see if I can break this piece down with my hand. So small stuff, yeah. Big stuff, no. It's not what it's for. So, yeah. Now these Axis style locks are fairly strong. So and the edge came nice, even though this is an older one. The edge came very nice. Let's see how it makes some feathers. This is a piece of pine, gnarly pine. Still has the bark on it. But yeah, as a pocket outdoor knife to do this kind of work, sure. Well, it digs in more than I thought. Go a little lighter, some finer curls. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Nice edge. Very nice. So yeah, guys, if you are into knives like this, I think that is a very nice outdoor pocket knife. Very comfortable. The G10 is comfortable. Does have a little jimping on that ramp there. Thumb studs work great. Decent thickness to the handle so you can get a good grip on it. And it will, if I remember right, oh yeah, that is a nice, good sharp spine on this one. Again, keep in mind this is the older one, but this one will have no problem, I know from experience, striking a ferro rod if you wanted to do that with it. So yeah, I thought this was a nice little option. You can still get them for under 20. I do have the camo one. They do come in black G10. I think they have a gray one. And they may have a carbon fiber one. I thought I saw a carbon fiber one, not for sure. But anyways, the Ganzo 727 series. Oh, this one, you can tell it's the older one because it says Ganzo on there. The newer ones say Ganzo Firebird, and it has the little Firebird emblem. So this is what the older one looks like. But yeah, nice knife, pocket knife, outdoor knife. Thanks for watching, guys. Common Sense Outdoorsman. See you next time. Bye.